Hello, this is Mrs. Ridgway. I'm going to cover the what if analysis. There are two types. There's the um, trial and error, where you can enter numbers into the worksheet until you get it to where you like your results, or there is the goal seek. I'm going to cover the goal seek. If you look in 21, you will see that there is a yellow colored background cell. And I've colored this so that you can see that there is no number in this particular 021 cell. Well, this is because Manuel Harmon was not, he was unable to take the final exam. So he is coming in the next day to take an exam. Right now, if you look to the right in P21, Manuel currently has a class average of 62.7. He ranks, if you look further to the right in column Q, he ranks 65th in the class of 67 students. And I'm looking at B5, which that shows our class size. Now, Manuel is wanting to make, let's say his goal is to make a B in the class. So he wants his class average to be, let's say he's hoping for an 85. And so now he's questioning, what do I need to make on my final exam in order to reach that goal of 85? Well, the first thing he would do is we're going to go up to the very top and click on Data, the Data tab, and then move to the right to the Forecast group and click on What If Analysis. What If Analysis. Click on Goal Seek. The Goal Seek box will appear on the screen, and in the box, Set Cell, this is his current grade. So you would enter the current grade in Set Cell, and I'm going to go ahead and make this absolute by pressing F4. Because we're not really copying. I wouldn't do that if we're copying down, copying the formula down, but I'm going to do it because there's just the one student. So his current grade is 62.7, and so we've got that in the set cell box. His goal is to make an 85. So we'll enter 85 where it reads to value. By changing, all right, I'm going to click in this next cell box. By changing the cell, well, we're referring to the final, his final grade. So what does, we're going to need to change. I'm going to click on 021. So we've got his current grade is in cell P21. And his grade is 62.7. His goal is 85. And what does he need to make in 021 in order to bring his class average up to an 85? So we're going to click OK for the what if goal seek analysis. And then if you'll look in 021, you'll see that Excel calculated that Manuel would need to make a 74.333333 on his final exam in order to achieve his goal of an 85. So now let's do this again. I'm going to click OK, and then I'm going to clear out the grade that was determined in order for him to make the 85. And let's say he's really dreaming big and would like to make an A in the class, to go from 62.7 to at least a 90 in the class to get his A. So what would he need to make on the final exam in order to achieve that goal of a class average of 90? So first thing we do is we're going to go up and click on Data tab, and then move over to the What If Analysis. Click on Goal Seek to bring up the Goal Seek box, and Set Cell, that's his current his current. So I'm clicking in P21. His goal is to make a 90. So we're going to type a 90. And then in the third text box, we're going to click O21 because that's where his final exam grade will go into Excel. So let's click OK to see what Manuel needs to make on the final exam in order to achieve that A or that grade of 90 as his class average. Well, it shows that he would need to make a 91 in order to achieve his goal of an A in the class. I hope that this helps you to better understand how the what if analysis works using the goal seek. Have a good evening.